like buses and aerial tram.
To get started, welcome to the guided bus tour here at the world famous San Diego Zoo. Who's ready to get started? All right, I'll take it. Welcome everyone. My name is Matthew. I'm your humble guide for the next 35 to 40 minutes or so. And as we depart from the loading station, just a quick reminder on the safety. So please keep all hands, arms, legs, loved ones, and personal belongings in Mingos. This is where you'll find the Caribbean or American flamingos, and they are among the largest and most colorful of the flamingos out there. But they don't start that way. Look very carefully at the far end of this lagoon, and you might notice there is a brownish, grayish flamingo. There is nothing wrong with that flamingo. That's a baby. Baby flamingos start out actually as small fuzzy white birds that eventually will turn pink like their parents. But I could probably spend a few hours just trying to list the plants that are found here at the zoo. Don't worry, I won't. But these plants are the foundation of ecosystems. They're the reason why so many animals are able to survive in so many different ecosystems. And here at the zoo, these plants help us out as well. Now this area is Northern Frontier, and it is just outside of Elephant Odyssey. That's where we're going to head in just a moment. Now we're going to go back in time, about 12,000 years ago or so. Back when Southern California was a very different place. Anywhere between 3,000 to 7,000 pounds, and they're still able to carry around that enormous earth. Oh, and actually, folks, it looks like I may have been wrong. This looks like it might be Otis. These polar bears, they needed our help. Because if you're a baby polar bear without a mom, you're in a lot of trouble. So these polar bears here to our left, they were able to have a home right here at the zoo. Now check this out. Oh, someone's found the snow. Look at this. These are polar bears after all. We always like to provide a little bit of snow and ice whenever possible, but we don't have to do that all year. These polar bears are in what is a recreation of an Arctic summer region. So these polar bears have a leaner diet, and they're able to stay a little more comfortable when things get warm. They're even able to use the water if they need to cool down as well. But snow and ice can be a lot of fun, especially if you are anywhere between, say, 500 to 1,000 pounds of bear and you're looking for something to roll in. Now, oh, check this out. See, this is what's called enrichment. This rhinos and horses are on to the animal group. But no, not too many animals would have gotten as big or even bigger than the elephants and their relatives. In fact, today, elephants are the largest land animals of all. Remember, Debbie is 7,000 pounds and she's our smallest elephant. Otis, one of our largest animals here at the zoo, is only a little under 4,000. You can already tell they're starting to eye that right there. That's absolute gold to them. See, California condors are able to eat what we would consider rancid meat. In fact, they can eat things that have everything from hog cholera to botulinum toxin, one of, if not the most toxic substance to us humans per unit weight. So, these California condors are literally helping to clean up our environments and keep us healthy. just a little bit. But actually, that's what African penguins look like, just not that size. By the way, do you see the pink around the eyes of those penguin statues there? Actually, real African penguins have pink around their own eyes too, and pink around their beak. That's how they can dissipate off heat. So that when they're on land, and remember, they're African penguins, they live in South Africa and Namibia. When they're on land, they can stay cool by sending blood to those pink areas, that's very close to the surface of the skin. As adults, giraffes can be nearly 3,000 pounds and anywhere between 14 to 16 feet tall on average. Some males can. Now, check out what these giraffes are doing here. They're using that height to pretty great advantage to get to those leaves. When you get the leaves off the trees, the tongue works very well. That tongue can be almost 18 inches long, and it is prehensile. It can grab those leaves off the trees. So it's pretty handy for grooming, and it's also great for when you decide that the intern's hair looks like plant.
Lunchtime at the cafe.
Cafe terrace.
Cafe.
Enjoy the outdoor lunch experience in the San Diego Zoo.
Picnic.